Pabalik na tayo ng bahay dahil mainit na at ayaw nating jumitim ang ating Festlock dahil maitim na nga tayo tapos magpapaitim pa, diba? Huwag ganun, besh. For those of you who might be wondering if nakapag-adjust na ba ako dito sa Nepal, yes. So magto 2 years na ako dito. Magto 2 years na kami na nagsettle dito ng asawa ko. And okay naman. Okay naman siya. Parang feeling ko nga mas safe dito kaysa sa Pilipinas. So done for today's running and walking. Yes, for those of you who might be, checking ng aking face, I have a dry skin. And noon pa to, like, even my siblings, they have dry skin. Whenever I meet people na nagsasabi na, oh, you have a dry face, you have to go to derma. Yes, of course, we are able naman to go to derma, diba? I went to derma like several times. So, nagpapa-facial din ako. But then at the end of the day, ako din yung nagsasuffer. Why? Because mahapdi siya. Even if light lang yung request ko na pag-scrub ng aking face, talagang mahapdi siya. I tried a lot of beauty products, but it didn't work for me. So, nag-stick na lang ako sa moisturizer and sunscreen. Yeah, that's it. And every time there's like party and all that I have to wear makeup, I don't wear heavy makeup. Foundation for me is a no-no. Why? Not because the product that I use is cheap. No. Of course not. Diba? But then, what I have noticed, kahit na mamahalin pa yung product na gagamitin sa face ko, nangangati ako. So, tinigilan ko na. Ang ginagawa ko is sunscreen, yes, and loose powder. Kapag may event. And yes, I admit, I use filter kapag nagtitake ako ng photo sometimes or videos, especially kapag feeling ko sobrang dry yung face ko. Yes, I use filter to enhance, not to be unrecognizable. Because my concern is people who will see me in person, they might not recognize me. This dry face, dry skin, if they will see me in person and compared to that video that they have seen or the photo that they have, seen in my social media accounts, they might not recognize me. So that's the main concern. As I get older, I realize that I have to embrace myself. So why am I sharing this dry skin ko or dry face? That I felt intimidated before facing the camera, that I need to use filter and all because iniisip ko anong sasabihin ng ibang tao, baka tsaka ako, ganyan. So, just be yourself. Huwag mong iisipin yung kung ano yung sasabihin ng ibang tao. For sure, alam mo na to. Alam niyo na to. But then again, coming from me, di ba? Na intimidated before because of my weight. I was 86 kg before. So just be yourself, be stronger, be active, stay healthy, and take care everyone. See you again next time.